Hello everyone, let's now move further with another hair. To first make a high ponytail as apparent on your screen, loosen some of the hair and from the lower end take the hair towards the upper direction. Then the rest of the hair is to be tied up using this type of the rubber band and decorate it with the fancy pin. Another hairstyle is very simple and very easy. You just have to take some of the hair strands one after the another. You are going to build it into the classical braid as apparent on your screen. It's just a simple French tail that we all are aware of. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused and give it a try. It looks so beautiful and so simple, decorated with some cute rubber bands. Let's move further with another hairdo. I'm taking some of the strands from the upper area of the scalp as apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video and see how I am just trying to build the twisty type of the look. Rest of the hair is to be tied up into the bun as apparent on your screen. This is another casual type of the hair bun that you can create. We will now move this towards this hairstyle. It's again best suitable for the medium length hair. You just have to take the few strands from the scalpy area. After that, convert it into the French tail as shown here. Then with the help of the rubber band, fix it at the proper position. Here you don't have to build the braid till the end. It's only up to the scalpy area. Convert it into the bun. Thank you.